Are you a practicing or aspiring HR professional wanting to make your HR organization agile? Look at this course called Agile HR Human Resources, Master in Agile Human Resources, where you will not only master latest techniques like Agile HR in applying to the HR organization, applying for your HR organization, and also learn how to implement them to make your organization agile. You can also attend video sessions to clear your doubts on this topic anytime during this course. Get Udemy's 30 days money back guarantee when you do this course. Review for yourself many lectures covering each section for free before you buy this course. And if you like the content, enroll for the course, enjoy, and master Agile HR and start making your organization, HR organization agile.